Okay, so we're back on Lawn Cheetahs for a kind of different video. You're probably thinking why we have a bike carrier for little kids. Well, we're actually going to disassemble this and we're going to build this into a carrier for our lawn mowers, because I have a business where I mow people's lawns, and we're going to build this so that I can pull it behind my bike and I can haul the lawn mowers to farther away jobs. So I'm going to get all this fabric and stuff taken off, and then we're going to do a lot more filming in the building process. We're going to get all this fabric taken off. Okay guys, we're back to work on the bike cart. It's all folded up currently. We have the wheels off. So here's the old wheels. You know, like just here. But these wheels, these two wheels, they're dirty and they're kind of running out of air. Like, you know, they run out of air and they're hard to fill up. And they just can't handle the kind of weight that we want to put on this. Like, we want the lawnmower on this. We want a leaf blower. We want rakes. We want all this stuff on this trailer. And it just can't. These wheels, they can't handle it. The weight limit is like 100 pounds. And the stuff we put on there, it's just going to be over. So what we did was we got some new wheels. These, they can handle like 150 pounds. They look better. The only problem is they might wear out. So that's not going to be a big deal because, you know, it's not even going to be going a mile. So we're going to show you how to install this. Basically, what we have to do is we have the old wheel. We're going to reuse these axles. But there's like a little pin right here. Here about here, it's like a little pin right there. You can kind of see it. We need to remove the cotter pin on both of these so that we can reuse these axles to put back in there. So we'll do that in a minute. Okay, so we had to get a special tool to get this piece off. Earlier when I talked about what the clip was, I didn't say that what I said was wrong. That's not the right kind of clip. But anyway, this tool, we squeezed it and it kind of came apart like that. So we got that off, and now this here just comes out. We need to lubricate it because there's no lubricant at all. And we have the metal thing. And yeah, did that for both of them, and now we got to reassemble this in the nice wheels, but also we need to lubricate this, so yeah. Okay, we are prepared for drilling. We have two clamps. You can only see the blue one, but we're going to be drilling a hole right through here and right through here. And then this will go back over here when we put the bolt through. So then this side will be attached, and then we'll do the same thing on that side. So we're just getting the drill ready. So we'll be ready in 1 second here. Okay, we are ready to go. That was the guide hole. Okay, our guide hole is done, and now we're gonna do our final drill. So it's gonna take a minute just for like the bit to get in, and then we'll have our two there and there, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll show that too, but okay, here we go. So we are putting this strip on, so we gotta take our nice little things off here. By the way, this whole thing, all the strips we got here were like $30 in total. So kind of a lot of money. So we're gonna kind of put it on like that.
Henrik, maybe you could tell people
And
what it's for.
this is like for protection. So that if we hit something or something bumps it or it scrapes, it'll be fine.
Okay, so actually
Oh, okay.
it's got to be this way so that
Oh,
the
my bad.
angle,
I messed up.
the edge is here.
Alright, so now we can put it up. There we go. Yep, that's that. Okay guys, we've done a lot on the trailer, or my dad's done a lot on it since last time. So we got this like edge protector. And then these are done. We have this boot that the wheel will sit in, the front wheel. We got the front held down by some zip ties. And then we got some stainless steel. The zip ties are stainless steel, so they'll hold it down good. And then we're gonna do a test drive here in a second, so we'll record that. Okay, it is done. We have both of the mower clamps that hold the front wheels in. We have the broom pole, the stick thing. It'll go in between the two wheels to hold the trailer while I load it. Got the nice stuff. We got the front, which will attach to the bike. Okay, so this is how I would load it. I can't just push it on there because we got this thing. So we gotta go like this, like that, and then pick it up like this, go like that.
There it is.
That. Oh. About to secure this here. And that's that. And then we just gotta ratchet strap it down.